This is front view of 10 MVA transformer test bench control panel. This is mains RYB indication lamp. It indicates incoming supply. This is mains VIF meter. It used to measure three-phase incoming supply voltage, current and frequency. This is LT capacitor bank output ampere meter. It shows current drawn by LT capacitor bank. This is three-phase dimmer output VIF meter. It shows dimmer output voltage and current. This is intermediate input current meter. It shows summation of dimmer current and LT capacitor bank current. This is door open indication lamp. It shows test job area door open condition. This is foot switch indication lamp for open condition. This is combined kV, milliampere and timer meter for HV test. Here it shows high voltage transformer output voltage in kV, leakage current in milliampere and time in second. We provides 4 tripping range in HV meter like 25%, 50%, 75% and 100% of total leakage current. This is on-off push button to turn on and off HV test. This is up and down arrow push button. It is used to set time during test. This is milliampere selection push button. This is HT capacitor bank output ampere meter to measured by capacitor CT. This is dimmer zero indication lamp. This is HV test on indication lamp. This is 16-channel digital temperature scanner. Here, we provides 16 PT100 temperature scanner along with meter. It measures temperature of various parts of transformer during temperature rise test. This is LT-PT tap selection indication lamp. This is LT-CT tap selection indication lamp. This is capacitor fault indication lamp. It indicates capacitor switch on condition before test. This is OC/SC test on indication lamp. This is intermediate selection indication lamp. This is Veer make precision power analyzer. It measures various electrical parameter during open and short circuit test. This is HT-CT tap selection indication lamp. This is HT-PT tap selection indication lamp. This is DVDF test on indication lamp. This is motor generator output VIF meter. It measures DVDF generator output voltage and current. This is combined VA meter for DVDF generator output and DVDF capacitor bank output. This is DVDF motor on indication lamp. This is DVDF capacitor bank ampere meter. It measures DVDF capacitor bank output ampere. This is DVDF test VI meter for voltage and current measurement at 22 kV for 33 kV by 11 kV transformer. This is emergency indication lamp. This is separate frequency meter for DVDF generator output. This is timer for DVDF test. Here, we provides a common software for routine and type test. So, this is LCD screen with for routine and type test software. Now, let's view desk view of panel. This is MCB to turn on control panel. This is LT capacitor bank selection switches with green indication lamp. This is emergency push button to turn off test during any abnormal condition. This is LT and HT-CT tap selection switch. Here, we provides 3 intermediate transformer selection switch. One is for 100 kVA, 11 kV by 433 volts intermediate transformer used to perform open circuit and DVDF test for 33 kV by 11 kV power transformer. Second is 500 kVA, 3.3 kV by 415 volts intermediate transformer to perform short circuit and temperature rise test of transformer. Third intermediate selection is 900 volts direct output for DVDF test of distribution transformer. HT and LT, CT and PT also selected by this switch. This is test selection switch for OC, SC, HV and DVDF test. This is LT and HT-PT, tap selection switch. This is dimmer up and down push button. This is test start and stop push button. This is DVDF motor start and stop push button. This is timer start button during DVDF test. This is hooter on push button before test to inform for test start. This is DVDF capacitor bank selection switches with red indication. This is another emergency push button. Now, let's make connection as per diagram and after connection start test.